Disney Toys Review here. Today it's all about Scoop. Look, it's Scoop from Bob the Builder. We have a small scoop, a medium scoop, and a large scoop. Bob the Builder, can we do it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Oh, Scoop is really cute. His bucket moves, and his backhoe moves. That's so neat. And he has pullback action. If you pull him back, he can go on his own. Next, we have this Total Control Scoop. This is a kid-powered driving. It even includes a DVD. It has a full episode, The Big Bang, and it has several vehicle shorts with Scoop, Muck, Lofty, Two-Ton, and LED Directing Tiny. You can operate the back bucket. You can raise and lower the scoop. You can even manually drive Scoop. Let's open him up and get a closer look. Look at those big wheels. This will be great for digging. Look how long it is. Scoop see something. What did Scoop bring? He brought another scoop. Oh, that's so fun. Wow, look at the small scoop next to the medium scoop. We have a lot of rocks for our scoops to use. Wow, Scoop can hold lots of rocks. Ah! This scoop can hold even more. Scoop can hold lots of rocks. And he can scoop up lots of rocks. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.